Okay, we're back. However, we're on the other side now. Oh, jeez. That's your step. Wow. Well, I guess we're not walking down there too far, are we? We just let me see here. Came from there, I think. Can't really see. Man, I ain't walking down that with it being wet like this. Break your neck. A little further down, I suppose. Too much down there. I want to go over and see what this thing here says. Got more bathrooms, nice. Somebody missing a dock. What on earth is this thing? Bike repair station? No kidding. I can air up my tires? Get out. No way. Well, how cool is that? And they got little screwdrivers and stuff you can use. Well, I'll be... That's so cool, man. And even got a little... Whoa. Holy... I don't think that works. And I got more tools over here, too. Look at this. I guess that's to hang it on, is it? Tire. Huh. That's cool, man. Wow. Right on. Here we go. It goes up. Wow, that'd be a long walk. Yeah, this is Wood Lake. Okay. I think. No. Wood Lake is over there. According to this. Yeah, well, that would make sense then, because this would be the lake we're at? No? What's going on here? Oh. Well, no, okay. This is Wood Lake. Alrighty. Yeah, you can't get down there. Well, I mean, I could, but... No thanks, I don't want to break my face. A bike repair station. That's awesome. Sun's trying to come out. Got more bathrooms, yep. Can't see any way to get down there. Well, I guess we'll go up that way to the next porta potty. How's that? Let's see what it's like. There's the airport. 18 clicks. I guess I need my keys, don't I? Unlock Sesame. Okay, we'll plug this back in too so we can get some juice on her.